Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Google My Business Problems. My name is Brooke Borup with My Clone Solution, and today we have Allyzon from Cast Haste, and she's going to be talking about keywords. Now, if you don't know your keywords, that's something you really want to consider. So Allyzon's going to give us a hint as to where we should be looking for those keywords and how we should be finding them. Allyzon?
Alrighty, so there are two main elements to keyword research in your business. One is Google Analytics and the keywords that you know because of your Google Analytics being set up, which you have your Google Analytics set up, of course, telling you what keywords lead to conversions or lead to users on your pages. Second, when you're finding keywords, say I'm creating a blog or I'm creating new content, you can again use your competitors to serve your purpose. Take their URLs if you have a page that's going to match a similar intent, and use a tool like Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. That tool is free, actually, which is the reason why I'm suggesting it. It can get you through most basic keyword research. But anyway, it will tell you exactly what keywords your competitor's page ranks for. And when you go into creating your own pages, then you will be able to know that some of these keywords are valuable to your business because they're valuable to the people you're competing against. And two, that you can match the intent of the users.
Excellent. So she gave you another free tool, folks. It will be listed on our blog. You can click the link because that's why we're doing this. So take the time to understand what your keywords are, what you want to rank for, what your competitors are ranking for, where you want to steal traffic from them, and actually know what you're doing and doing it on your website with purpose. This has been another episode of Google My Business Problems. I'm Brooke Borup, and we'll see you on the next